Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. In the previous video, I asked you riddles. Have you remembered that? Okay, have you written answers for those children? Yes or no? I hope you all wrote the correct answers. Okay, I think they are easy only. Okay, just check whether they are right or wrong. Let us go to the riddle children. Okay. So first riddle. Yes, I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? Okay, did you write this answer? Very simple, no children? Have you written this answer? I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have waters but no fish. What am I? Okay, I'm giving you the answer, children. A map. Yes, you can see many cities, many mountains, water, everything in this map. Okay, see, we have cities in the map but no houses. Okay, we have mountains but no trees. Okay, we have water in the map but no fish. Okay, so answer is map. Okay, then let us go to the next question. What is seen in the middle of March and April that can't be seen at the beginning or end of either month? Yes, what is seen in the middle of March and April? In the middle of March and April also, what is seen? But we can't see that in the beginning or in the end, okay, of those months. Letter R. Yes, children, March. What is the middle letter? R. In the April also, what is the middle letter? R. So we can see in the middle of both months R letter, but we can't see in the beginning. See here, in the beginning M, March, M letter. In the beginning April, A month, A. So we can't see in the beginning, or we can't see that in the end also. Ending letters H, and then here L. So we can't see in the beginning or in the end of those months, but you can see in the middle of those 2 months. So what is the letter? R. Okay. Next question. I have keys but no locks and space and no rooms. You can enter but you can't go outside. What am I? Okay, I have keys but no locks and space and no rooms. You can enter but you can't go outside. Okay, you think that if there is key means definitely there will be room. Okay, there will be some space. But here we have no locks and space and no rooms. What is that? We can enter but you can't go outside. What is that, children? So see the answer, check it. Keyboard. Yes. Okay, everyone knows keyboard. Yes. So yes, because you will do in the lab, no children. So we know keyboard, it has keys. So keyboard have keys. Keyboard has keys but no locks and space and no rooms. You can enter but you can't go outside. Okay, so this is keyboard. Okay, children. Then let us go to the next. Next question. What word in the English language does the following? The first 2 letters signify a male. The first 3 letters signify a female. The first 4 letters signify a great, while the entire word signifies a great woman. What is the word? The first 2 letters signify a male. The first 3 letters signify a female. The first 4 letters signify a great, while the entire word signifies a great woman. What is the word? Okay. Answer. Heroine. Okay, children, what is the answer? Heroine. Okay, see first 2 letters H-E. H-E means male. Okay. First 3 letters signify a female. H-E-R. Female. First 4 letters H-E-R-O. Hero. Great. Next, entire word signifies a great woman. Heroine means great woman only. So the word is heroine. Okay. I come from a mine and get surrounded by wood always. Everyone uses me. What am I? So I come from a mine. Mine. Do you know mine? Okay. And get surrounded by wood always. Everyone uses me. What am I? Okay. Do you want to know the answer of these children? Pencil lead. Have you seen pencil, children? Yes. Yes, you will sharpen, no? Pencil lead. Okay. If you observe that pencil lead, okay, do you know that? It comes from your mine. Lead. It comes from your mine. Okay, it's a metal. It comes from your mine. Okay. Then next, it is surrounded by wood. Okay, pencil, it is surrounded by wood only na. Okay, we sharpen it. Okay, so everyone uses me, yes, everyone uses that pencil. I use, you use, everyone uses it. Okay, what am I? That's nothing but pencil head. Very easy, no children. The last question. I am the first on earth, the second in heaven. I appear twice in a week, though you can only see me once in a year. Yes, very easy answer, that is letter E. See, I am the first on earth, earth, E-A-R-T-H. What's the first letter? E. Second in heaven, H-E-A-V-E in heaven. What is the second letter? E. I appear twice in a week, W-E-E-K. Okay, 2 times. What's the letter in 2 times in that week? E. So you can only see him once in a year. Y-E-A-R. One time only, letter E. So what is that answer? Letter E. I hope you understood these 6 questions. I hope you wrote correct answers also. Okay, children. Now, let us go to our lesson. Okay. Third lesson from your honeycomb textbook. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, children. Okay, welcome to this lesson. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, this was a comic story. First, children, open your textbook. Pause the video and open your English textbook. Please observe this lesson. Please open pages of this. Okay, you can see Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It is not like the other lessons. Please open it, children. Then it was a comic story. You can observe this Gopal and the Hilsa fish. A comic story. It was a comic story. Do you know comic book? Have you seen comic books from our library? Yes, you can observe them. Comic book means it contains stories told only through the pictures. You can observe many pictures. The total story is narrated through the pictures only. By reading, by seeing observing the pictures, and by reading those dialogues, you can understand the lesson. You can understand the story. So we can see these comic books in our library. Okay, in our houses also. So comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. This was a comic story, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Please, children, pause the video and open your textbook and observe it. Is this a comic story or not? Okay, you can observe this story totally through the pictures only. Totally through the pictures, and then you can see some dialogues. We can't see the paragraph, children. We can see the dialogues and then you can see it. So this was a comic story. This comic book contains stories totally told mainly through pictures. By seeing the pictures, by seeing the dialogues, we can understand the story. Okay. In this story also, we'll come to know about Gopal. Yes, Gopal. Okay, Gopal plays a very important role in this story, children. Okay. So please pause the video and you just go through the lesson. You'll understand this very easily. Okay, before the explanation itself, you can understand the lesson. Otherwise, you just see the video. Then you can understand it easily. Okay, so in this story, we'll come to know the Gopal's wisdom. He's a wise man. Yes, children, he's a wise man. Okay, so then I'll show you the picture of him. Yes, Gopal was an important person in the court of King Krishnadeva. Do you know the King Krishnadeva, children? Yes. Okay, I like this king very much. Okay, many of you know also, because in your textbooks you may get it. Okay, you might have seen this man, you might have seen this king in your textbooks, in your social textbook. Okay, so Gopal was an important person in the court of King Krishnadeva. Okay, the kings have many courtiers and jesters in his kingdom. Okay, so what happened here also in the King Krishnadevaraya's court? Okay, there was an important person. His name was Gopal. Okay, he was an intelligent. Intelligent means he knows everything, children. Yes, he is ready to tell answer. He immediately gives answer, very nice answer, smart answers. He gives smart answers. Okay, he's an intelligent person. He makes people laughter. Okay, he plays many jokes, children. So all people, okay, they laugh. Okay, they laugh of his jokes. So he was an intelligent and makes people laughter. Okay, do you understand this, children? So Gopal was an important person in the court of King Krishna Devaraya. Okay, in the Krishna Devaraya's court. Okay, Gopal was an important person. King likes him very much because he plays very nice jokes and he gives smart answers. Okay, he always gives correct answers to the king, gives nice suggestions to the king. Okay, he advises the king very nicely. That's why king likes Gopal very much. So Gopal was an intelligent and he makes people laughter. Okay, now see children, in our lesson, what are the main characters in our lesson? So let us see the main characters of the story, Gopal and the Hills of Fish. What are the main characters? Okay, the first main character is king. Yes, king. King plays a vital role. Okay, next character, Gopal. Children, remember this, Gopal plays a very important role in this story. Okay, so without Gopal, nothing is there in this story, children. So Gopal plays a very important role. Then next, Gopal's wife, she also plays a role only. Okay, nice. And then finally, courtiers means, you know that, which will live on the court of king, and also they give some advices to the king. They advises the king very nicely. So the main characters of this story are king, Gopal's wife, courtiers, and some other characters. Okay, so okay children, I am going to show you our lesson, okay, which plays a very important role in our lesson. Do you know, children, what is that? Yes, this is, what is this, children? Tell me. I don't want to tell this name. I think you all know this. Okay, tell me, what is this, children? It is fish. Yes, fish. So here in this, our title of the lesson is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. I already showed you Gopal. Okay, the next character is fish. Okay, this is Hills of Fish. So okay, Hills of Fish. Imagine that is Hills of Fish. So Gopal and the Hills of Fish. These both, okay, here these both play a very important role in this story. Okay, see children, it was the season of Hills of Fish. Okay, in this story, it was the season of Hills of Fish. Okay, Hills of Fish means, you know, like other fish, this fish plays, it's a very important. Okay, it is rich in essential fatty acids, you know. Okay, we can find essential, very important fatty acids in the fish. That's why doctors suggest us to eat fish, because we find many important fatty acids, children. So we find essential fatty acids and which help to develop our brain and also nervous system. Yes, okay, we can observe, we can find many essential, many important fatty acids, and also which is helpful for our brain and also for our nervous system. So fish very important. Fish is very important, children. Okay, so meat, fish is more important than meat. So children, please don't avoid this, please try to eat it. If you don't like, please children, you just find, you know, ask your mother to make it very nicely, tastily, and then eat it, children. It is very essential. Nowadays, due to corona, you have to eat fish, children. So like other fish, Hills of Fish, I am talking about Hills of Fish. Hills of Fish is rich in essential fatty acids. Okay, so this is more important than other fishes. Okay, it has good demand in the market. Do you know, this Hills of Fish has good demand in the market, children. Okay, everyone, our parents or whoever, so everyone likes to eat, everyone likes to buy and eat this Hills of Fish. You know, it costs high. Okay, it costs high, children, nearly 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, like that. So it was the season of Hills of Fish. So I'll show you the Hills of Fish picture also, children. Please observe this. It was the season of Hills of Fish. So like other fish, I told you clearly, Hills of Fish is rich in essential fatty acids. It helps develop our brain but also nervous system, children. It has good demand in the market. Okay, it has high demand in the market. So everyone likes to buy and eat Hills of Fish. Okay, everyone likes to eat Hills of Fish. So everyone goes to market and buy it. Okay, so next, see. Okay, everyone was talking about it only, children, because it was the season of Hilsa, no? That's why everyone, people, all people, neighbors, everyone was talking about Hills of Fish only. Okay, do you know fisherman? Fishmongers, householders were also talking about Hilsa fish. Do you know, children? Fishermen. Do you know fishermen? Those who catches fish. Okay, fisherman catches fish. We can't go and we can't fish. We can't catch fish, no, children. So fisherman only catches. So after that, they catch fish and then they sell to fishmongers. Fishmongers, you know, fishmongers, those who sell us fish. Okay, we'll go to market and we'll buy fish, no, children. Okay, from whom do we buy? From fishmongers only. So fisherman, fishmongers, and then householders. Householders means our mother, father, everyone. So fishermen, fishmongers and householders were also talking about Hilsa fish. So all the people were talking about Hilsa fish. Fisherman was talking about Hilsa fish. Fishmongers were talking about Hilsa fish. And then householders were also talking about Hilsa fish. Okay, even the courtiers were also talking about Hilsa fish. Okay, you can see the picture, children, first. Okay, here fisherman. In the first picture you can see fisherman. Okay, they are catching fish through the nets. So fisherman, it was the season for Hilsa fish. Fisherman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. They want to catch only Hilsa fish because they'll get so much profit. Okay, that's why they want to catch only Hilsa fish. So fisherman. Then next, fishmongers. They sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Okay, fishmongers, they are calling, please come here. They are, okay, we have very nice, very good Hilsa fish here. Please come, buy the price. Today Hilsa fish price is down today. Please come and buy. Please come and buy. There, they were shouting, fishmongers. Okay, the next, householders. Householders were also, they were also talking about Hilsa fish only. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? Okay, one housewife is asking, one mother is asking to other neighbor. Okay, what is that? How much do you pay for that? How much have you given for this Hilsa fish? Then he said, you wouldn't believe I told you. Okay, this man is telling that, you can't believe if I say that. Okay, I bought it for 2,000 rupees. He's telling like that. So everyone is talking about Hilsa fish only. So, and in the, see, children, I told you the courtiers were also talking about Hilsa fish. Courtiers, do you know courtiers? Those who are living in the court. So those who give nice suggestions to the king. So they were also talking about the Hilsa fish. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. In the palace also, okay, in the king's court also, everyone was talking about this Hilsa fish. Okay, so what happened? The king was tired of listening about it. The king got tired because everyone was talking Hilsa. He was getting the sound of Hilsa. So the king got angry. Okay, so he wanted no more talk about this. So he wanted, okay, please, I don't want to hear that sound, Hilsa. So please, the king got angry. Okay, he got angry and he shouted at the courtiers. You can see in the picture, next picture, children. Stop it! Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The king shouted like this, children. Yes, he shouted at the courtiers. Are you a fisherman or courtiers? Okay, why are you talking like this? Hilsa. Everyone was talking about Hilsa fish only. I'm tired of this. Please stop it. The king got angry. Okay, he was shouting like this, children. Even he was a king, he was shouting like this. It was not good, no? So he was shouting that, stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? I don't want to hear. Is it a market or the king's court? Okay, so please stop it. Then what happened? The courtiers fell silent. Okay, the courtiers fell silent because the king shouted at them, no, that's why. So they fell silent. Now, the king also felt guilty because he shouted, no. Is it good, children? No. So the king also felt guilty. I'll show you. See, the king was tired of listening. So he wanted no more talk about this. So he got angry and shouted at them, are you a courtier or a fisherman? Then the courtiers fell silent. Then the king felt guilty. He was ashamed of himself. Okay, he said sorry. Okay, sorry. So why? Because I shouted at you. It was not good. Okay, as a king I should not shout at you. So please, sorry. Please. Okay, kindly forgive me. I was not asking forgiveness. He was telling that, okay, please leave it. He said like that. Okay. Now in this court Gopal was also there. So Gopal was a clever man, I told you clearly. So king is telling now, okay, king said, okay, I'm sorry, I lost my temper, that's why I shouted at you. Okay, please leave it. Okay, yes, because it was the Hilsa fish season, it was a season for Hilsa. So not even Gopal also can talk. Everyone talks about Hilsa fish only. This Gopal also definitely talks about Hilsa fish only. So this Gopal also could not stop people from talking about Hilsa fish. Okay, king was telling that. So not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for some time. Okay, for few minutes everyone, yes, definitely they will talk about this Hilsa, no doubt. So this Gopal, even though he was a clever man, he also couldn't stop the people from talking about Hilsa fish. Then Gopal said that, I can. He told that, Your Majesty, I can. Then the king asked Gopal, what is that? Can you prove it? Okay, so everyone talks about Hilsa fish, no doubt about this. But no doubt, Gopal said that, no sir, I'll prove that. No one will talk about Hilsa. He told that. Then the king asked Gopal, okay, prove it. Prove it. Why? Because everyone was talking about courtiers, all the people were talking about Hilsa, but you were telling that, no one will talk. Okay, let us prove it. Then there was a challenge between Gopal and the king. There was a challenge, children. There was a challenge between Gopal and the king. What was the challenge? The king asked Gopal to prove his cleverness. Okay, prove your cleverness. Prove it. Okay, he asked him to buy a, do you know what is the condition, children? What is the challenge? The king asked him to buy a huge Hilsa. The king asked Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about it. Do you understand this, children? Okay, the Gopal should buy a huge Hilsa fish and then he must bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about it. No one should ask a word about this Hilsa fish. No one should ask any word about this. Okay, is this difficult or not? Why? Because even the neighbors are bringing meals. Okay, that ladies are also asking, how much did you buy? What is the cost of that? Like that. So everyone is fond of that Hilsa. So everyone is asking that only. But here the challenge was, Gopal should buy this Hilsa fish and he should bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about this Hilsa. Okay, this is a very difficult task. Gopal said that, I will prove. Okay, Gopal accepted the challenge. He said that, I'll prove it. Okay, I'll prove it. I'll buy a Hilsa fish and then I'll bring it to the palace. No one will ask me anything about that. King told that, no, it won't be possible. Gopal said that, it will be possible. Okay, whether it is possible for Gopal or not, whether he won the challenge or not, let us see in the next video. Okay, children? Up to that, keep watching. Bye.